I'm married and I have 2 kids. I've been cheated with a Zulu girl for almost 7 years since we got into SA. My life has been so bad. I was in misery. Habi almost left me for this woman. But atakazongogadziriswa nemafundisi ekuchurch and Habi stopped it. Then February last year, I met a guy akabhandi nyengawo. He's also married with 2 kids. Takabatawirirana. This guy is so fun. He's so loving. He's so adventurous. He's so good looking. He's wild when we are getting down. We're having fun, to be honest. Then October last year, I decided to stop this relationship because I felt like I've revenged enough. I blocked him in all areas so he won't communicate with me. I asked God for forgiveness and I moved on. And my things started moving very well financially, Chayu. My business was promising. So beginning of January, I realized I had been cheated with another woman and I was not hurt, to be honest. I knew what to do. I unblocked the guy and we started seeing each other again. Ever since I went back to this guy, he's always crying kushaya mari chaiko. Sometimes he would call me to give him ride or ask for my car the whole day because his car is stuck and he doesn't have money to fix it. I've been tolerating it, but I feel like it's a turn off. A guy should not be asking a woman for help. I really love him so much. He drives me crazy. He's so sweet in bed. But guys, it's a turn off. I've realized that ever since I went back to this guy, my things are stagnant now. Nothing is moving. In fact, everything is going back. My question is, if I go back to God, will he forgive me? 2. Ndodi kuti ndisiyane nemhepo iyi. Inenge ndiyo iri kundipa munyama. To tell the truth, I'm a person who knows God and ndiri kutadzira Mwari ndichiziva. Should I always run to this guy every time my husband makes a mistake? Veduwe ndibatsirei woka. Vanotuka, it's fine. Always remember that we are all human. We all make mistakes.